welcome. Today I want to talk about why we don't have a homeschooling room.
Welcome to Learning League.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to our channel. This is Learning League. As you can see, Sophia's not with me today. I just wanted to do a video kind of geared more towards parents right now. Homeschooling is in full effect. And so I wanted to talk about why we don't have a homeschooling room or a specific place that we homeschool. One of the first reasons that we don't have a preschool room or have a structured preschool setting is because Sophia is still in preschool. She is 4 and she'll be going to school next year, but this year we're still in preschool mode. We're still learning those basics before kindergarten. And I feel like she needs time to explore and learn in new environments so that she's not sitting at a desk. Even in traditional preschools, they don't sit for the majority of the day, they play. So that's why we're not doing a traditional homeschool or a homeschool room that you see on YouTube. If you go into YouTube and you type in like homeschooling room, there are so many different ideas, so many different, there's like big budget, small budget, mobile. Some people have taken a whole room in their house and made it into a traditional homeschool or schooling room, and we don't have that. I will link below. We have kind of a morning basket. I call it more of a learning basket. She takes that out during the day. We do that. And we do our big projects. We do a lot of science. We do a lot of math. I record some. I don't record some. So if you see in our videos, we're in a lot of different areas of the house. Sometimes we're sitting on the floor, sometimes we're outside, sometimes we're on the couch, sometimes we're sitting at a table. It just kind of depends on what she's comfortable with, what I'm comfortable with, and where she's learning best. The second reason that we don't really do that is because for preschool and for every age, I feel like that learning is everywhere. We learn in the car, we learn in the bathtub, we learn in the kitchen. So to designate an area where you just have to learn here, I think would be doing her an injustice. I'm not bashing on anybody that does a homeschooling room or has a traditional school at homeschool, because everybody is different. Each student is different and each parent is different. I'm just telling you what we do. And another reason is because she feels more mobile and comfortable sitting somewhere else. You know, when we're outside or when we're sitting on the floor, she feels comfortable in that area, and I do too. So we kind of go where we feel comfortable. I'm not against having a homeschool room for an older type student, maybe middle school or high school, to do like a area where they feel comfortable sitting or they can feel less distracted. I just think for, and this is just my opinion, but for elementary school kids and for preschool kids, their learning is so everywhere. There is traditional school work that they have to do, but just to sit down and do studies with them all the time feels like it's doing a big injustice to them. So that's kind of my deal on that. Like I said, there's tons of homeschooling resources out there. I'm planning on doing a day in the life for us to kind of show what we do as well, because what we do is kind of odd. I was a preschool teacher for many years, and Sophia loves learning, and so we do our morning basket, or we do our little work, and then we do fun activities all day because I enjoy it and she enjoys it. But I know not everyone can do that. There's people that are working from home right now. If you're in traditional school, to each their own. Everybody has different learning techniques. I just wanted to jump on and share what we do. And I'd love for you to comment below or follow us on Learning League Kids and tell us what you're doing this year. 2020 has been definitely an interesting year as far as schooling goes and as far as everything goes. So I'm going to check in with you guys. How are you doing? How is school going for you? So please comment below and tell us how you're doing. And we'll see you next time. Bye.